Hello everyone and welcome to another video. I think it's safe to say that we all love a great deal and value for money, so when Box.co.uk said they would like to send us a GTX 1660 to look at, I was pretty excited. Being the predecessor to the GTX 1060 6G, I knew this was going to be brilliant. A careful blend of price to performance. Today we are going to be taking a look at the Gigabyte's version of the GTX 1660, the OC6G. Being a cutback version of the RTX series and being stripped of any RTX features, the GTX 1660 is powered by Turing shaders, has a 1530 MHz core clock speed right out of the box, with 1408 CUDA cores and a 6GB of GDDR5 memory, meaning it is no slouch. Based on the Turing architecture, giving you up to 6 times more memory performance than previous generations of graphics cards, this also has been built on the 12nm manufacturing process, giving you even more performance. So, being priced at around £200 at the moment or thereabouts, it's £30 cheaper than the card that this replaced, the GTX 1060, and £40 cheaper than the 1660 Ti. One of my most loved features about this card is it being the smaller 290mm fan design, but packing a monster cooler with WindForce 2 technology, meaning it will fit into most ITX systems, and cooling shouldn't really be a problem because even under load I saw temperatures of around 44 degrees C. This card is designed to be the no frills option, but how can that be said with such beautiful simplistic angular lines mirrored throughout this entire GPU? Fair enough, Martin and I said that this card is missing some RGB, maybe in these areas here around the shroud, or down these lines and perhaps the Gigabyte logo as well, or even these vent looking things here. But regardless of its lack of RGB, this card looks incredible. But how does it perform? For your information, all of the games played in this video were set to 1080p on Ultra preset. Well, the proof's in the pudding, so they say. It's cheaper and outperforms the before mentioned GTX 1060, which until I last checked was the most popular GPU used for 1080p gaming on Steam because of its price to performance, which basically puts the 1660 on par with the 1070 and RX 590. So I wonder if we now have on our hands the most popular GPU in the making. I personally think we do. I also think this deserves the must-have reward, so congratulations Gigabyte, you absolutely smashed it on this one. Also, having the option to pay less than 20 UK pounds for the more gaming OC6G edition and getting a triple fan design and the RGB logo, I personally think it's worth the premium. Your thoughts in the comment section would be appreciated. I'd love to hear what you think. Well, this is it for this video. If you liked it, hit like. If you loved it, subscribe. I've been your host Jezy. Goodbye.